What's up guys, I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Today I'm going to give you guys a closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris General XP4 1000s. Now these UTV upgrade kits, they come in 3 different stages. That way you can find the kit that best suits your personal preferences and your budget. Now the kits come with some of the most popular accessories for your brand new machine, and you're going to be saving some money when you buy everything all in one kit. These kits are just going to give your machine style, convenience, and comfort. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at what comes in each of the kits. To start out, we'll be looking at the Stage 1 kit. Now the Stage 1 kit is the most basic and affordable option, but it comes with the essentials for your new machine. So what comes in the kit is number 1, your removable half windshield. This is gonna give you some protection in the front, block some of the wind and dust, but it still allows some airflow into the cab to keep you cool. The second item in the kit is the alloy UTV mirror kit with A-pillar mounts. Now you've got to be able to see what's behind you, and these A-pillar mounts put the mirror in a good position, and you don't have a bulky clamp around the roll cage. That way it doesn't get in the way of your windshield or any other accessories you want to run on the A-pillar. The last item in the kit is the cargo rack. Now this is going to give you some additional cargo space, and you've got plenty of tie-down points to help secure your items. Moving on to Stage 2, this has some substantial upgrades over the Stage 1 kit, and it is going to be keeping that cargo rack from the Stage 1 kit, but the things that get upgraded or added are number 1, you have the removable full windshield. This is going to give you full protection in the front from the wind and other elements, and if you ever have a hot day, you can simply remove it, and that way you can allow maximum airflow into the cab. To complement the windshield, we have a polycarb rear window. This is going to help enclose the cab and protect you and your passengers from the elements. And again, this is scratch resistant, just like that removable full windshield. Now the last item in the kit is the pivot folding mirrors with A-pillar mounts. Now these are going to give you more visibility to see what's behind you, and if you ever hit something with them, they simply pop out of the way and you can fold them right back out, and they're super durable. Moving on to Stage 3, this is the premium option from Tusk. You are going to be keeping the pivot folding mirrors, the polycarb rear window, and the cargo rack from Stage 2. But the things that get upgraded are the folding glass windshield. So this is made out of super durable laminated safety auto glass. It's going to stay looking good for a long time. You have a windshield wiper to help clear it off. You've got vents in the bottom to let some airflow into the cab. And if you ever want maximum airflow on a hot day, you can simply fold the entire windshield down and out of the way. The other upgrade is the hitch-mounted spare tire carrier. Now, it's always a good idea to carry a spare tire with you. That way, if you get a flat or a cut in your sidewall, you're going to be able to take care of that. Now, this hitch-mounted spare tire carrier, it's solid mounted. It's going to hold your tire really secure, and it's fully adjustable for different sizes of tires. And that's your closer look at the Tusk UTV upgrade kits for the Polaris General XP4 1000s. If you need one of these kits, they're available on our website. Again, these are one of the easiest ways to get some of the most popular accessories installed on your brand new machine and save some money at the same time. Now, if you have any questions about these kits, leave those down in the comments below. We also have detailed how-to videos that guide you step-by-step through the install process. So check all of that stuff out and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. I'm Charles with Rocky Mountain ATV MC. Thanks for watching.